34. I spent days creating these disputes, and they were getting refunded. I mean, it goes all the way back to, let's see, July 31st. I mean, they're sporadically refunded. Now, your company, the dispute team will go in and they'll approve a refund for a dispute for under $20, but then they'll deny a dispute for $24.32. For instance, July 31st, there was a transaction in the amount of $12.13 that I spent July 31st at 5:41 p.m. It was refunded to me because it's a valid dispute. However, there was a dispute that I created for the same company July 31st at 5:40 p.m. that was denied, okay? That makes no sense to me at all. Both of them were the same companies. Both of them were for the same product. Both of them I never received. Both of them should have been approved. Not the 2432 that was denied, okay? Whenever I go in here and I click on dispute status denied, dispute reason, goods or services not received, which is 100% accurate, it's telling me after further review, we determined no error occurred. That is, unless you're blind, deaf, and dumb, I don't understand how you can deny one transaction minutes apart for the same company. Makes absolutely no sense to me, okay? Now, this went on, I mean, I'm talking big ones were being denied, but some of them were small. However, that's not the point how big or small they were. The fact that 80% of them were denied and 20% of them were refunded, it completely blows my mind, because I'm putting in all this information, and this is where I start getting mad, because I'm calling in, I spoke to a manager. It takes a lot to get to a manager with you guys. I'm emailing back and forth. I'm getting no word from your company, so I created a Better Business Bureau case. I created a case with the FDIC. I emailed and created a case with the Attorney General of California 2 days ago regarding this issue, and I heard back from him, and they're filing with your company to find out what's going on. Why are y'all cherry-picking transactions that are being denied that I'm creating valid disputes on? Okay, spending my time and that I could be, doing other stuff, that I would gladly be doing other stuff. And y'all are just basically just shooting me down with no information provided. This was escalated by your last manager, and I just received an email just now. And it's the stupidest email that I've ever heard in my life. I've never seen a reply like this before. I don't know what kind of monkeys you have working in this department, but this says, "Hello, my name is Wednesday. I'm a specialist with CashApp. I'm contacting you because your concerns in case 150705046 were escalated to me for review after being identified as a complaint. After review of your case, it appears that your concerns are not indicative of a complaint. Instead, they seem to be more aligned with their request for information about a CashApp card dispute. Now, it says, I'm happy to help you for providing you some information on the dispute you filed for a $24.36 cash card transaction on Drip Shopping from 7/21/2024. In reviewing your case history with us, our records show that on 8/4, you filed a cash card dispute with Cash App. On 8/10, your dispute was denied and were notified via in-app notification. I have confirmed that the information provided is complete and accurate. In the case, Cash App promptly investigates your dispute, notified of the denial outcome of your dispute, and provided options for you to request information relied on, or in making that determination, Cash considers that no error has occurred. Now that I provided information," and I'll stop right there. No information was provided to me as to why these disputes are being denied. There's no information that they're giving me as to why they're approving them minutes apart as for refunds, and then they're denying ones seconds apart. It makes absolutely no sense. It's almost like somebody doesn't want to do their job, or they're just trained to deny the big ones and then approve the little ones, which is bad business to me, because y'all move money around, millions and millions of dollars, and you're governed by somebody. If you weren't, you wouldn't be allowed to move money around. So I want to know why these people aren't doing their job, and I want to know why I'm wasting my time again on a Sunday to try to figure this out when this is a no-brainer. I mean, I made all these transactions. The company ripped me off. They took my money. I didn't get nothing from them. Why aren't they being approved? What's going on? I know that's a lot. I'm sorry, but yeah.
Well, no, you're okay. I followed along with most of it. I'm not gonna lie. A few times I got a little lost here, but I followed along with the majority of it. And the issue would be pretty much the same as what it sounded like Chase had, where you approved these payments. And
right, but they never gave me anything that I purchased. Right, I understand where you're going with this.
Do you have any proof of that?
Yeah, I didn't get anything. and here's the deal. Since y'all approved 20% of my disputes, my question to you as a company was, why did you approve those and not the others?
So I don't work disputes. I don't know why some are approved and some are not. I don't know if they have a mandate that, under a certain amount can go through.
Right.
If you can approve, just automatically approve a certain amount.
Right. And yeah, they did ask for proof, and I actually I can't log into this website. When I try to log into it, it says device blocked. That's it. That's my proof. That's all the proof that I should need. Period.
Well, unfortunately, it's not, because we don't know if something happened after. And that can be the issue, too, is if we don't have enough, if, say, the merchant comes back and says, well, we sent the stuff, or,
Okay, did they? They said that they reached out to this company.
Yeah.
What happened? They never did tell me that. Please, I would like to know what they said.
I don't know. I don't work disputes. I don't have that communication. Okay. I don't know what was said. I'm just saying, as an example, if they say, they fulfilled their obligations with this, we can't,
you can, because I'm your customer, okay? Regardless, I'm not them, or you're not them. Y'all don't do any business with them, okay? Even though I approved the transaction, I'm your customer. So I'm your number one reason why you're in business. There should be no communication. I mean, you should be telling me what is on my account, what they said. There's none of that information. I'm not being provided squat, nothing at all.
We're not required to provide that information.
It says in every email that y'all send me that if I need any information based on these denials, to reach out to you and you will provide them. So since you put that in writing, you've got to provide me information. What's that?
Are you following the instructions to get that information?
I've done it several times. Yep.
And what has been sent to you?
Nothing at all. Not one damn thing that y'all sent me to let me know why the hell these are being denied. Not one. And every time I reply to the email that they send me, it says this email is unsendable.
So from what I see here, it looks like these were denied because we were not able to prove that the goods or services were not received.
Okay, I'm telling you, that's all the proof that you need.
Unfortunately, we have to have more than that.
Well, what else do you need?
I don't work disputes.
Okay, that's a problem. That's a problem. We need to find out. Because I'm not going anywhere until we find out. So we need to get somebody on the phone to find out how we get that information. Okay, that's a problem because this is a lot of money. Listen to me. Before you continue, I'm telling you right now, I can't take y'all asses to court, but I will take you to arbitration. This is $10,000. I'm not going to sit around and listen to the same BS that I've heard before. I'm not going to hear, I can't. There's nobody. There is somebody there that can tell me why these are being denied. And my question to you is, why were 20% of them refunded and 80% of them denied? Because those 20% never did show what you're asking for. So let me ask you why. Why was 20% approved and 80% denied?
Well, and again, my understanding is there may be a limit that they are allowed to auto-approve or a certain amount that they are allowed to auto-approve. I don't know that 100%.
Well, you're going to have to get somebody on the phone that does. I mean, everybody's working.
Sure.
All right, well, we're going to sit here until you do. I mean, companies this big, yes, we are. We are. And I'm not going to take no for an answer. This is, you know how many times, okay, you don't talk over me, okay? You have a customer that has a problem, okay? You're the manager, manage it and fix it. Don't tell me you can't, because that's not good customer service. The only reason that you got a job is because of me and people like me that have accounts. Now, don't tell me you can't. You can't. Figure it out. Okay, do your job. I'm sorry.
At this point, your claims have been denied. That is the information.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why they've been denied?
From what I can see here, because we did not have enough proof that the claims were valid.
What proof do you need?
So at this point,
what proof do you need?
The information that I have, and I do not have more.
Okay, well, get somebody on the phone that does.
There is no one higher that we can get on the phone.
That makes absolutely no sense that there's nobody that can tell me. So you're just blowing smoke right now. Okay, you do your job. I mean, how hard is it?
Get money on something. Exactly what you need to do. You need to put in the notes.
I did. I put in the notes. I've created cases. I put the case numbers in there. I put all the information that's necessary.
I was still trying to explain, sir.
You aren't explaining. You're not giving me any information, ma'am. You're not getting me. You're basically giving me the runaround.
Okay. Then at this point, the conversation will be ending as it's no longer productive.
Oh, really? You're just gonna hang up on me because you don't know how to do your job? Is that what you're doing?
I am doing my job.
No, you're not. You haven't given me any information that I'm asking you for. I want to know why those were denied.
I gave you the information that I have.
What information was that?
The claims have been denied.
For why? What reason?
Because there was not enough information.
And what information do you need?
I don't have that.
And that's my point. You have not given me any information, ma'am. Why don't you tell me what things you need in order for these to get approved?
We would need proof.
What proof do you need?
More than just your words, sir.
Now, I've given you proof. I've uploaded photos. I've uploaded emails from them. What else do you need?
More than what we've gotten, apparently.
Okay, well, I need to know exactly what I need to upload so we can proceed.
I don't have any more information to give, so we're going to be ending this call.
So, okay, go ahead. Go ahead, please. End the call because you don't know how to do your job.
Have a wonderful day, sir.
What a fucking cunt. Did you hear that shit? Fucking dumb bitch. I'm glad I recorded that. I'm putting that shit on YouTube right now.